So our next step is we are going to grab the links from our activities that we want students to do, and we're going to link up these icons. Now for morning meeting, I am going to, if I'm going to do that through Google Meet, if I don't have an activity, I will just go ahead and lock this. I'm going to lock down Raz Kids as well, since students will sign into that through Clever and ST Math. So they'll just go in through Clever to get to those. Our next step to getting everything linked up here in our schedule is to go in and grab the activity links and link those here to our schedule. So let's start with Reader's Workshop. To make this quick and easy, I've opened up a second tab here and gone back into that same Seesaw class, and I'm over here on my activities tab, and I'm going to go look for my Reader's Workshop activity here. I'm going to tap on the three dots, get student link. I'm going to tap on copy to get that student activity link. I'll close that and I'll pop back over to this other tab here in my browser. I'm going to tap on this Seesaw icon. I'm going to tap on the three dots, link. I'm going to paste in that URL, that website address, and tap the check. That is going to add this little link icon. And now I can go ahead and lock down this Seesaw app icon. So I can lock that, and my link is still going to be right here on this little link. Alright, so I'm going to do the same thing with my other subjects here. I'm going to go through, and for each one I'm going to go back to this other tab. I'm going to find the phonics activity. I'm going to go to the three dots, get student link, copy, close this, pop back over to the other tab, tap on this icon, three dots, link, paste in that website URL, tap the check, and then I'm going to go ahead and lock down this icon. Okay, and I'm just going to keep going through and grabbing all of those activities. So back to Seesaw, I'm going to grab the Writer's Workshop activity, three dots, get student link, copy, close that, go back to this tab, tap over here under Writer's Workshop, three dots, link, paste in the website URL, tap the check, and then I'll go ahead and lock down this Seesaw icon again. Right, health, go to Seesaw, on the second tab, the three dots, get student link, copy that, go ahead and close that pop-up, go back over to the other tab, tap the three dots, link, paste in that URL, tap the check. Let's go ahead and lock down this icon. Alright, I'll go down here to math. I'll go over here and look in the activities. Tap the three dots, get student link, copy, go back over to this tab, tap the three dots, link, paste that URL, tap the check. Let's go ahead and lock that down. Alright, and then I would need to get the link from the science specialist from their class and that activity, and put that here, and then that is looking good. It looks like it is ready to go for Monday. So what I would do then is go on through the other days in the schedule and link up my activities there that I have ready. Once this is all done, then I will tap on the check up here. I'll select all the students in my class, and I will tap this check. And now that post will be added here to the journal feed for all of my students to be able to see. You can see there all those little links that they can tap on, which will take them over to those specific activities in the activities tab in this class. Coming soon in Seesaw, you will be able to pin this post to the top of the journal feed. So you could keep this schedule right up here at the top of the journal feed for the entire week. And then you could change that to the next week's schedule at the end of the week. More details on how to do that will be coming out soon. So look for that new feature here very soon.